more going on with your body. You got it all, baby. Your papa Uganda, your mama Burundi. My African star, baby, na umeumbwa ukaumbika. Yeah.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, Vivi Cooks, and welcome back to another vlog. So in this vlog, I'm doing a date night, get ready with me, hair, makeup and jewelry. I'm going to be showing you guys how I might carry this hair. I'm not really sure if I want to wear this hair, but basically I'm going to be showing you guys how, you know, I get ready for my date night. And the best part is I'm not doing my makeup myself, guys. You know. So anyway, I'm at Mira Skincare headquarters again. I don't know the particular one I want to wear. I know I'm wearing a black dress, but I don't know the jewelry to use. So I have like a lot looking at me, and I'm going to be showing you guys the full range, and then we're going to be picking one together. So I'm pretty excited about that. Like I said earlier, I'm not doing my makeup myself, so I'm going to be taking you guys through the part. You see the makeup artist, the finished look. This vlog is going to be exciting, so make sure you don't go anywhere, okay? Anyway, without further ado, let us go through what they have here. They have a whole lot of variety. Like I think I will be here for the next 30. I'll be here for like 30 minutes because it will take a while for me to pick out the one I want to wear tonight. But let me just show you what they have. You guys need to see this. This is very simple. Oh, how gorgeous are these earrings? They're so gorgeous. I actually want to wear gold. Now I'm confused. This is not what I'm going for. This is actually nice. So, oh, I'm so confused. I love this one. I really love it. I feel like because my dress has a low V-neck, so I feel like this would fit perfectly because I don't want to get something too high up and then it looks kind of awkward. So this is what this looks like. So if you're looking for jewelry, you're going out for like a wedding or a birthday or an event, and you're looking for somewhere to get, you know, that statement piece, that jewelry that will just switch up your look, make sure you check out Mira Jewellery. It's the same building where they have their pharmacy, where they have their skincare, where they have their household items. I'm going to leave the address in my description box and the phone number, Instagram handle, all that good stuff. And then, you know what, I'm going to keep you guys in suspense for a little bit, and then after my makeup, you see the jewelry I pick. So let me look some more, and I'll pick one, but you guys will find out a bit later into the video, so stay tuned, okay? guys, so clearly you guys can see I'm done. Well, not 100% done, but I'm done. So right now I'm about to wear my jewelry, and this is the box it came in. So I picked out one, and I'm going to quickly be wearing that. Hopefully, you know, it goes well with my outfit the way I imagined. But yeah, let's try it on. This is it. Wow. So now I'm going to be doing a montage of my full outfit so you guys can see what I look like head to toe. And I hope you guys have been enjoying the video so far. Something different, but I hope you guys are, you know.
Baby, tell me that I know what I do. Baby, tell me how much I can pay. I'll be fly go anywhere for the day.
Enjoyed, you know, the montage of me taking pictures and all of that good stuff. Shing Beauty killed my makeup. Yo, like, what? The bottom lashes, everything. Thank you so much, Namsheen. I really appreciate it. I'm going to be leaving her Instagram handle on the screen and in the description box as well, her address, all of that good stuff, just in case you're, oh, the lighting gets better, okay, just in case you're interested. In fact, let me just do it here. Yeah, but yeah, I'm going to be ending the video here. Thank you so much to my assistant as well. Do you want to show it? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, all that good stuff. Let me know what you think of my makeup, my outfit, all of that. Do not forget to check them out. I'm also going to be leaving their Instagram handle on the screen. Make sure you check them out for any events, weddings, parties, whatever it is. Make sure you check them out. Link is, no, handle is going to be in the description box. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.